guys, Jeff Mullen here with Fat Kids Barbecue. Today, we're making bacon-wrapped stuffed jalapenos, and oh, they're gonna be so good. This happens to be one of my favorite dishes, and it's really quite simple to make. All you do is you cut the tip off your jalapeno, slice this guy in half, take your spoon, I'm gonna get a little pan, a little bowl actually, not a pan. If you want these guys to be really hot and spicy, you can leave them as is and just create a boat, put your cream cheese in them, and then you're good to go. The spice that comes off the rib and the seeds in the jalapeno. I don't want them to be overpowering today, so I'm simply going to remove the seed and the rib, just like that. I'll take the cream cheese here and I'll brown up some sausage. I'll put some sausage in it. I'll get some chorizo, whatever you want, ground hamburger, taco meat, do what you want to do. This time I decided just to do a little bit of the cream cheese by itself. So what we'll do is we'll fill our boat up with the cream cheese. I do have the Yoder smoker warming up outside. It's in that guy. I am using Bear Mountain pellets today. The sweet blend. Never tried these, so we'll see how they do with jalapenos. So now we're going to take our bacon and we'll just cut it right in half. Ah, my light just died. There we go. I guess that's what happens when you're doing this all by yourself. So now we'll just take our bacon and we're going to wrap it right around the jalapeno. So we've got these guys all wrapped up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some seasoning from Killer Hogs, Malcolm Reed's stuff. We're going to use his barbecue rub, and we're just going to put this, I'm going to sprinkle this right over the top of the bacon, just to give it some nice color and, of course, that wonderful flavor. You have a rub you like, use it. I like this stuff. I've done these with smoked paprika, and it gives the bacon a nice color and a nice little flavor. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get them onto our this is a cookie baking cooling tray. We're going to put these all on top of it. It'll just make it a lot easier to put these guys onto the smoker and take them off the smoker. Where it's so cold outside today, I want to keep that door closed as much as possible. Perfect. All right, so our Yoder's warmed up to 275 degrees. We're gonna get our jalapenos right out onto the smoker. It is really cold out here, so we'll talk in a few minutes. All right, guys, so our jalapenos look like they came out absolutely amazing. I can't wait to give these guys a try. I did go out into the frozen tundra of a backyard here. We're now up to 11 degrees, and wow, it is cold out there. Anyhow, let's give these guys a shot and see how we did. Wow. These are melting your mouth. Unbelievable. These are so good. Wow. If you like what you see, please click that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel. Come back next week and see what we're filming. Thanks, guys. All right, so I went out to that bitter cold frozen tundra of a backyard and I grabbed our jalapenos. These guys are looking absolutely incredible. We are up to a balmy 11 degrees. So during the cook, we went up 6 degrees. These guys probably went up 175, maybe more, I don't know. Anyhow, so we cooked these again on the Bear Mountain sweet pellets. We bacon wrapped them. The